G'day. Haven't done a video in a little while. I'm away in Sydney for work at the moment, and I'm actually staying next to the Eastern Creek Sydney Motorsport Park. And it's Wednesday night, so I thought I'd pop down and check the calendar, and they had a Ferrari night on, so thought I'd come down and have a squiz. And looks like got some weather rolling in. Bit of a bummer, but this track's unreal from the 2 seconds I've seen. So jump out and show you the sweet rental I got. I was meant to get an MG, but they didn't have it in stock for whatever reason, so I guess you could call it an upgrade. And I got this little BMW electric car, so.
Water fin around again. Watch out here. Cool. Seatbelts on. Coal coloured 458. Put your helmet on. Get ready. Whatever, you ready for it? Yep. Alright, so it won't be long. Yeah, about 2 minutes. 2 minute wait.
It's only about 2 minutes before they take off.
Excellent.
It's cool, man. You just get in for free. Come and have a walk around. So, or some Ferraris come down the straight. Seems to be a fair few of them actually. Hopefully the weather's going to go around us. Looks like it's going to avoid us.
All yours, track for yourself, look at that. What an investment. Check it out, it's got plenty of light, plenty of light. Looks good to me. Send it. You're good. Ready, it's on the track. Get ready.
Try and get a walk through the pits, see where the cars are at.
Oh, look at that, it's going to reverse here. There you go. Why aren't his discs red? If he's a racing car and he's going serious, why aren't
go stomping through the garage because obviously there's people's cars. There's a bunch of people that are friends with other people that, you know, are here for ride-alongs and stuff, so did a quick little walk behind, but it felt kind of wrong. So we'll just observe from afar. Good spot to be. Like I said, I'm here for work and my accommodation's about 2 seconds behind that grandstand, so not a bad spot. Just glad I fluked the Ferrari Owners Club for a Wednesday night. Well, that was bloody cool. It'll probably just end up being a bit of a, what do you call it? Like a sound of racing style of thing. Didn't really feel comfortable with going up and just poking my head in people's cars. I wouldn't feel too comfortable if I was at a Ferrari owner's meet. I had one and someone who didn't own a Ferrari was just sticking a camera in their car, so I just admired from afar. But yeah, some of those race cars, those GT3s or style of car, unreal. And then yeah, even some of the stock standard road cards, you know, call a Ferrari stock standard. It's pushing it to the limits. Glowing red discs coming flying into that first corner. It's absolutely unreal. I'll have to get back here in my own car the day it's done. I might try and sneak up to one of the other corners and have a look-see there and see if I can get some more footage of them going through some corners and stuff like that. But we'll see how we go. Managed to get to another corner with the cars going sort of sweeping uphill, so we'll have a squiz, eh? See if we can go get some suspension travel. So you can definitely tell slower through the corners, but I can understand why. Some of them are giving it the beans and they sound unreal, but yeah, some of them are just putting around. I can understand that. It's just a club day, you know? Go out and drive your $500,000 million car, whatever it may be. There's one going behind me, wherever it's going. Yeah, they drive them to the track and then drive them home. How cool's that? Alright, I'm heading into there. Go back to my apartment. Get prepped for work tomorrow somehow. Somehow go to sleep without dreaming about owning a Ferrari and driving it on a Wednesday night. Living the life. Unreal. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll get to hear it again. Maybe I'll get out here again and try and get in the car next time. So if you have a Ferrari in Sydney, if I'm ever in working here again, give us a yell. I'll come for a spin. Cheers, thanks, good night.